Hello everyone, this is Prajesh here. Today I will talk about one of the modification I did on my Dominar. I installed a NS200 tire hugger on my Dominar. So I thought I will make a video and explain how we can install a NS200 tire hugger on our Dominar. Why a tire hugger? I have observed multiple times that too much of mud was getting deposited at the rear mudguard side. So I wanted a solution for it. I did quite research and found out that NS200 tire hugger could be a solution for this one. Even though the tire profiles are different, still we can use NS200 tire hugger. That's what I found out, because it covers around 80 to 90% of the tire profile. So I bought NS200 tire hugger from 99rpm.com, so that I will show you that. So this is the tire hugger which I bought from 99rpm.com. This is a new model tire hugger. There is no Pulsar branding over here. So this is a new tire hugger, new model tire hugger, and these are the two bolts which came along with the tire hugger, and these two collars are also available. This is called collar hugger, and these two nuts. This one I bought outside. We can use either these kind of nut or a self-locking nut. How to install NS200 tire hugger on our Dominar? Since our Dominar lacks a tire hugger mount, I have to design a mount for the tire hugger. So I opted to use the same mount as the NS200. So this is the mount I have designed for Dominar. So this is the bottom view of the mount, and this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. So if you have seen the NS200 tire hugger mount, you can realize that this is exactly the same one. So what I did is I took measurement of the same NS200 tire hugger mount and designed it and produced it like this. So this is made of mild steel and made by using laser cutting method, and this is powder coated one also. The holes what you see here, these are enough to pass through like this for these bolts, and this one we have to weld it on the swing arm. The dimension of this tire hugger mount is well enough to hold the tire hugger. That means this length or this length or this gap is perfectly enough for the tire hugger steel frame to come and sit over here. How to fix this tire hugger mount on our Dominar frame? So I did some research and found out that welding is the best option, because if you do some retrofit method, it may result in breaking this mount from our frame, because this once we install the tire hugger on this mount, this is going to face excessive vibration force. So due to that force, if the mounting is not proper, it will break. How to weld this this tire hugger mount to the Dominar frame? Gas welding is a best option, because it doesn't affect the other body parts. Once the mount is fixed to the Dominar to swing arm frame, this is how it is going to get installed. So you can see here, this is the bottom view, but this is not so important. You can see that this is how it will come. This is the inside part, and from the side, this is how it will look. So you can see that this frame is perfect enough for the tire hugger steel frame, this steel frame, to get it fixed. And the bolt will go like this, and then this side I have not put the hugger collar. This side you can see that like this, we have to put the nuts like this and then tighten it. For tightening, we can use a 5 number Allen key. And if you want to hold this this nut, we can use a 13 inch spanner. At the end of the video, you can see some test videos. I installed this tire hugger on my Dominar and did couple of tests. Like I went through normal roads, no roads, and then pass it through water areas. And so you can see that the installing this tire hugger doesn't avoid mud deposit 100%. The main reason is because of the chain cover set design in our Dominar. Chain cover set design is very unique in Dominar. It is not like NS200. In NS200, the chain cover set is bit above the, it's not perfectly round. It stands bit above the tire. So because of this, whatever the mud comes, the chain cover set will collect it. So in Dominar, the chain cover set design is not like this. Because of this, 100% mud deposit will not be avoided, but a part of it will get avoided. And installing this will improve the look of the Dominar if you remove the rear fender and install a tail tidy. This is how the mount is fixed to the swing arm. I will show you around. So this is from here, and this is from here, and this is the top portion. After welding, the powder coating paint went off, so I have to use a spray paint, and I try to use a color which is closely matching to the swing arm. So I try to use silver, but it was not exactly matching. So you can see that this portion of this mount is standing outside like this, and the reason is once the hugger cover comes here, it will be standing like this. So this portion is required. This side you can see that this mount is little bit standing outside like this. The reason is this swing arm is not exactly in a square shape, or from, if you see from the top, it is like a rhombus shape. However, this mount is completely, the bottom side of the mount is completely in a square shape. So when you place it like this, a bit part of the mount will stand outside. So this is welded over here, entirely this area, entirely this area, and a part of this area. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Bicycle Thief. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.